How to recover call recordings. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Setting application on your device. Scroll all the way down until you see the option of Account and User. Click on it. Then after, simply turn on the feature of automatically sync app data. And firstly, if you see the option of Add account, simply click on it. Go to Google, search for the option of Google in the list, and now you simply need to verify your identification first, provide your mobile password, and then you will be able to add a new Gmail account. Make sure the Gmail account you enter here is the same account you used to record the call using in your phone device. After that, the next method is also to clone your device. So go all the way back, click on the option of System Cloner. If you are changing your device and you want the backup of your call recordings, simply click on Get Started, again verify your identification by providing your mobile password, and simply the system is now creating a system clone. Clicking on Next, you will be able to set up a password and start cloning in the other device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.